In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Fortnite PC account to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase two easy ways to properly make sure that your account has been connected. So you will be able to transfer your progress from Fortnite on your PC to your PlayStation 5. So you will have to link your Epic Games account with your PlayStation Network account. To do this, go over to the Fortnite website or the Epic Games website, whichever one you prefer. In here, sign into your Epic Games account, so you can use the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen to sign into a pre-existing Epic Games account. Assuming that you don't already have an Epic Games account, go ahead and sign up to use. Now, once you create and sign in, hover over the icon and go over to the account page. In the account page, you will have to switch over from account settings to apps and accounts, and immediately you will find the PlayStation Network. So like I said at the beginning of the video, there are two main ways to connect it. You will be able to do it through this page, and all that you have to do is click Connect under PlayStation Network. You will be redirected to another page where you can authorize this connection, and they are going to be linked. Now, if you use the same Epic Games account when you go over to your PlayStation 5 and you boot Fortnite, you will be able to get all of your progress and log into the game immediately. Alternatively, if you are unable to do it through this page for whatever reason, just go over to epicgames.com/activate. The first time you open up Fortnite in any console, you will be asked to visit this page through a web browser and input the code being displayed on your screen. By inputting the code displayed in your screen here, you will be able to link the Epic Games account that you are currently signed into to PlayStation Network or whichever platform you are playing in. So either choose between going over to apps and accounts or do this process through epicgames.com/activate. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Fortnite PC account to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.